Have you ever imagined how the life of reverter to Islam would be like? Yes, I'm talking about Hamza Yusuf, who was born in a Christian family at Northern California. He grew up practicing Greek Orthodox. His childhood was spent in Christian community. But the special quality of this young boy was he would often ask questions about his religion, the purpose of life. Some things about his religion didn't make any sense to him. That's why at the age of 16, he realized that the only reason I am Christian because I was born in a Christian family. He started to think very deeply about this matter and ended up attending a class on world religion. Then he hit on Islam. He read Quran which says there is no God but God and Prophet ﷺ has his last messenger. Wow, what's that mean? And what am I supposed to realize in here? After he read those statements several times, he realized what it meant. Nothing else can be worshipped. That's what it meant. But worship, which worship is true? He struggled. The biggest struggle you will ever have in your life is the struggle within you. This period of introspection led him to think about religion seriously. At the age of 17, he was crushed in a car accident which brought him to close to death. That night of accident changed his life completely. He thought to himself, what would have happened if I was dead? Is there a life after death? Sometimes it's better to introspect than to regret later. He became so fascinated to know about what will happen after death. And he knew that all his questions will be answered by Quran. He bumped into Quran and learned little by little. At the age of 18, he took Shahada. And now the actual journey began. He dropped out of college and started to learn basics of Islam, like to pray, how to fast and all. It wasn't easy, as I say, when Muslim kids who already know all the basics at the age of 5, here he had to struggle in his youth. Think how hard it might be and how blessed we are to be born as Muslim. To further study Islam, he traveled to New York, where he had to face lots of problems alone in this new city. He was caught in the middle of gunfight, prostitutes, alcoholics, foul language and so on. He studied so hard in England for 6 months but soon realized that he had to learn Arabic to learn Islam from original sources. And then he spent the next 4 years of his life studying Sharia science at Islamic institution in UAE. He didn't stop learning thinking that I got enough knowledge about Islam. Instead, he traveled many countries to know more about Islam with dedication and his hard work. He became fluent in Arabic language, Quranic recitation, poetry, fiqh, theology and many more. Now he is 62 years old, who is known as American Islamic scholar and also completed his PhD. He inspired millions of people just by his lecture, which is very heartwarming. The biggest lie that one can tell is, I don't have any time. The real answer should be, I don't use my time wisely enough to have time. So, what's your story?